What is ID in Python? ID in Python is a keyword that is used to get the address in a memory. But what is this memory? We all know computer has two kinds of storages. Like one is a storage which stores all the files and everything permanently. And the second one is RAM, which stores the data temporarily. So whenever you shut down your system, the data will be gone. So RAM is used for temporary storage, right? So this RAM is called as memory. So whenever you try to write any programming, or it could be Java, it could be Python, or it could be any React or anything, your code or the variables that you use in your code, such as list, tuple, dictionary, any data structure or just a variables, those all stores in a memory. For example, if you consider this is a memory, and in your Python code, if you write a equals to 2, this 2 will be stored in a memory, in a block of a memory. For example, it stores in this block. In order to get the address of this particular memory block, we use ID. If you use ID, you will get address of this particular memory location. And I'll show it in a code. So if I go to my VS Code, I'll write here a equals to 2. And if I try to get ID of A, and if I run my code, here I'll get a number, a long number, which is the address of that particular value in a memory location. So this is what an ID is, and this is how you get ID of any particular variable. You will understand the use cases of this ID in upcoming lectures, but for now, just remember that ID is used to get the address of particular object or variable in a memory location. That's about ID.